Good morning to class. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Today is Tuesday, 15th December 2020. It's your maths period and today our topic is the calendar. It's page number 148 of Countdown. Students, first of all I will show you calendar. It tells us about months, weeks and days. Students, as you know, there are 12 months in a year. Let's revise. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. Students, the months of January, March, May, July, August, October and December have 31 days. And the months of April, June, September and November have 30 days. The month of February has 28 or 29 days. Students, the months in which February has 29 days are called leap years. So students, there are 365 days in a year and 366 days in a leap year. Students, there are 7 days in a week. Students, now open your countdown books. It's page number 148. Topic is the calendar. Its exercise 1 is complete the sentences below. Number 1 is the first month of the year is. Which is first month? Tell me quickly. January. Which month is first month? January. So we write here January. 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 Next comes, after January, which month comes? Tell me. It's February. After January comes February. February. It's February. Next comes February. The month before May is. Students, look at this calendar. Which month comes before May? It's April. Which month comes before May? It's April. So the month before May is April. We write here April. 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 The 7th month of the year is. Students, look at the calendar. Which month is 7th month? It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So which month comes? It's July. So the 7th month of the year is July. 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 After July comes. Which month comes after July? Yes, it's August. Look at this. After July comes August. So we write here August. 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 Next, the last month of the year is. Yes, students, tell me, which is last month of the year? Yes, it's December. Look at this. Which is last month of the year? It's December. So we write here December. Next is there are dash months in a year. How many months in a year? Yes, there are 12 months in a year. How many months in a year? There are 12 months in a year. Next is there are dash or dash days in a month. So students, how many days in a month? There are 30 or 31 days in a month except for February, which has only dash or dash days. How many days in a February? It's 28, and in a leap year there are 29 days in February. So students, you will learn it and complete it on your countdown books and send me your work. Okay, take care. Allah Hafiz.